Ever felt limited by the standard characters on your keyboard? Let's unlock a world of symbols with Windows built-in tools, starting with the character map. To find it, simply type character map in the Windows search bar located in your taskbar. The character map is your visual dictionary of Unicode characters. Browse through the different fonts using the font drop-down menu at the top and select the character you need. Click on the character, then click select and then copy. Now, go to your document or wherever you want to insert the symbol, and simply paste it using Ctrl+V. But there's another, often faster, way. Go to the Windows settings by pressing the Windows key, then type typing settings and press enter. Scroll down and click on advanced keyboard settings, then check the box next to use Unicode keyboard input. Now, hold down the Alt key, type the Unicode number corresponding to the character you want to insert using the number pad, for example, Alt 207. When you release the Alt key, the character appears. These are two quick and easy ways to enter Unicode characters in Windows, expanding your communication possibilities with just a few simple steps.